Hello, in this video I want to show you how to connect your OnePlus Buds Pro 2 with iPhone. And to do this we'll need to scroll down our notification bar or go for the settings on the iPhone and enter Bluetooth. Then go for the Bluetooth settings and make sure that it's enabled like this on right here. Then open a case with your earbuds. And here you can find a button. Hold that button for around 4 or 5 seconds until the LED lamp starts flashing in a white light. That means we're in a pairing mode, and now we can select OnePlus Buds Pro 2 and they are connected with our iPhone. Now if you want to use the app with it, you will need to get Hey Melody app. I already downloaded it. You can get it from the App Store. From here, click on plus. It will scan for your device and should find the OnePlus Buds Pro 2. Click on them to connect, and now you have them in the app as well. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.